Hi, welcome back. This is the driver's side ring, which I've just tacked in a little repair plate there, which needs a lot more work obviously, but this was absolutely caked with rusty blisters and God knows what. What I've done is I rubbed it down with a wire brush, and literally got some rust killer on it, and believe it or not, it's bloody good stuff. Cheap as chips, but it's really good stuff. I used it thinking this ain't going to work, but do you know what? It's done a pretty good job. Obviously I've got to put a little plate in there because there's a fixing goes in there. But anyway, yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. It's done quite well. Again, I might take all that off because a lot of that is under seal and a bit of paint in there as well. But I think I might take it completely off, start again. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Not very impressed with this bit. This is going to be fun. This is obviously the back plate and side plate, and that, believe it or not, is well, what can I say? I've got to get this off and then fabricate a new bit that goes up into the post, because as you can see the back end of it's gone. It should come out here in a and I think that's actually twisted, so I'm gonna have to straighten it up anyway, but yeah, it needs quite a bit of work. I know you can buy these back plates, I think they're 50 odd quid, I think, but I've got to undo all these because that is actually part of the floor there. Yeah, got another great hole here. Obviously the step plate goes in there, which if I look down here, it's here. I'll bring it up. It sorry, goes that way. I mean, you can see where the water's been laying and where, nice and clear here. But just completely gone there. It is what it is. I just don't know. I really don't know what to do with it, to be honest. I don't know whether just to cut this out, cut the holes out, and just weld in a new plate. I think that's what I might do. And I've got some alley steps for the bigger cabbed version that I'm going to put on anyway, so but yeah, this is going to be fun, this bit. But again, I think that's pretty structural because it's normally attached to the post, and I don't think that's been attached for a long time. Take these off and keep them. I think the horn's attached to that normally, and I think it's the indicator cable goes in and trunking in that one, I think. Yeah, so that's my next mission. Just sort of keep you updated on it. Probably work on it either today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know yet. It's just time dependent really. But yeah, there you go. Thought I'd let you know what's going on. Cheers.